In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the Wolt app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Wolt app right here. So of course, the first step is going to be for you to log in or go into your Wolt app and then log into your account, because then you should be taken to this page right here. Now what you're going to do firstly is to make sure that you have the correct location that is actually your location, and you are not using a random location so that the Wolt is not able to deliver to you. And to be able to know your location, you can just click in the top left corner, as you can see, and you can just set it to your current location, because then it will recognize your current location, and then all the restaurants down here will be correct for you as well. That is very important that you double check so that you actually have the correct location. And then what you're going to do is to just scroll down in here, and as you can see, there's a couple of options for me in here. This is all for my specific location right now, so we can take this one as an example. So let's say that I would like to order from this restaurant right here. I'm going to click on the restaurant, then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to choose what kind of food that I want to be able to order. So for example, let's take this one just as an example, right? So I'm going to click on the item, then I'm going to scroll down in here. As you can see, I get a couple of options in here, so I need to select the one that I want to actually be able to purchase. So let's say that I'm fine with everything that's in here basically, then I'm just going to click on add to order, which is going to be in the bottom right corner. So I'm going to click on add to order. Now you have a couple of alternatives. Either you can continue to order, or you can start checking out. So to be able to check out, you can click where it says view order. As you can see down below, it says view order. So just click on it. Then what you're going to do is to just proceed to go to checkout, as you can see, to be able to check out. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here. And now what you're going to do is to select your payment details. As you can see, you're going to choose a delivery address as well. Then what you're going to do is that you can have a no contact delivery, as you can see, which means that they will not contact you. They will just leave the food outside of your door, just so you know. And you can tip them if you want to as well. You can enter a promo code if you have one. You can select the payment method that suits you the most. And that is basically exactly how to use the Wolt app.